Many scenarios require on-the-go capture, contextualization, and later use of document resources. Scenarios like creating a college application essay, a design spec, or a tour guide. Cam, an admissions director, is creating a virtual campus tour guide. She has been capturing pictures and ideas for her tour guide on the go through her phone's default apps. She is noticing her work has become fragmented across apps on her device. And she's also forgotten why she captured some of the intended tour guide information. Later, when she's working on her document, she gets frustrated having to transfer and integrate information to her document from many providers. To help us understand how people capture and use document resources in the wild, we created Scraps, an app for capturing, contextualizing, and using document-related resources. To inform the design of Scraps, we conducted a survey of 66 information workers. Our survey reveals some differences between mobile and desktop information capture. Mobile captured information was quickly captured and often task or event-oriented. For reuse in a document, people tend to capture a few main information types, like web URLs, whiteboards, or task-oriented photos. Based on this survey, we created Scraps to help people link mobile captured information to a document. With Scraps, people can capture voice, text notes, bookmarks, and photos, and insert them directly into their Word documents without needing to manually locate and integrate them. Scraps users can capture pictures within the app, like this whiteboard diagram photo, search the web, and bookmark web pages, and capture text and voice notes while Scraps records their speech into text. People can add context to help remember why they captured the information later, while Scraps infers some context automatically. Users can link Scraps to associate them with documents in their OneDrive, and group and organize their Scraps by project, type, status, and location. Later, users can see their Scraps directly beside their document and insert them for reuse. With Scraps, Cam can create her tour guide with ease by capturing and organizing document resources within a single app. She can use the Scraps pane to view and insert her captured resources. To understand how people use Scraps in the wild, we conducted a study with 11 information workers. Participants captured 155 Scraps while creating a tour guide of their work campus. Participants reflected on completing the same task without Scraps, saying they would have used a variety of capture methods, like sending a self-addressed email or taking a screenshot of their phone screen. One participant mentioned a potential loss of information without Scraps, stating, "If I didn't use Scraps, I would have taken photos with the default camera app, jotted down notes in the default Notes app, and opened links that I wanted to keep. We'll probably lose them if I decided to close all the tabs in the browser." Participants contextualized Scraps with wayfinding information, notes, features, and reminders. Participants thought that adding context to their Scraps was important, especially if they were going to use them again after some time. Participants reflected on how capturing context in different apps can leave the information disjoint. Typically, I would be capturing context in a separate application from the picture or resource itself, so the information and context would necessarily be disjoined from the resource. Participants liked that Scraps made it easy for them to integrate resources by providing them automatically beside their documents. Without Scraps, they may switch back and forth between different apps to integrate document resources, which can disrupt their flow. In summary, participants believe Scraps would help avoid information fragmentation by capturing resources in a single app, capture context along with information to prevent it from becoming disjoint, and ease the difficulty of manual integration of captured resources by providing them in a single place for simple integration. Future work can explore supporting other tasks beyond document creation, and provide ranking, filtering, or smart suggestion based on the current task.